So because the pot already get hot, so it's going to be quick. I'm going to put onion now because the pot it seems like it's already hot. I like to put onion. I like to put onion for more taste, but some people don't put onion because it's fried rice. You can put your green pepper, carrots, rice. Also, sometimes I like to use basmati rice. Also, it's tasting good for this fried rice. So, but today I use just normal rice, jasmine rice. It's a nice rice, good quality, it's a good product. Yeah. After that, I'm going to add mix of garlic and ginger. I do love to put garlic and ginger. For me, it looks like the food is going to be more taste. Yeah, that's why I like to put garlic and ginger in the fried rice. And after that, I'm going to add carrots and green pepper. But for this green pepper, I have yellow, I have red. I mix it for more good looking to my fried rice. It's going to turn a little brown after putting your green beans. This for me is the easiest experience because I do love fried rice, so normally I do prefer to cook this, and that for me it's a quick meal because it's not takes a lot of time to be in the kitchen. Or you can cook it for your family. It's good. Yeah, and it's more taste. Maybe on my next video I would like to share also. Sometime when I cook this, I would like to mix with broccoli, and sometimes I used to mix with chicken. Also, it's tasting good, yeah. But today I prefer to put rice and green beans only because we already have fish, so no need to add chicken. So now I'm going to put my green beans. It is fresh green beans. You know, most of the time when I cook this meal, I don't like to add salt because of soy sauce. They have natural salt inside, and for this slice, I'm already put some salt, so I don't add any salt inside. So it's going to be salted and natural. I like this meal because it's easy to cook and it takes more time for me. And it's so tastes so delicious, guys. Yeah. I know most of African countries like it. It's like common food. Even Europe people like, even most of countries like Asian people, even Chinese like it, fried rice. Also, some people used to put some egg inside. Yeah, also it's good also. But for me today, I prefer only to put green beans. Only that because we have on side the fish masala. This is oyster sauce. So I had some oyster sauce inside here for more taste. I like to put this because more taste and more flavor. So now I'm going to put my rice. I mix it well. Make sure more all the join rice together. So now I'm going to add soy sauce. Normally I used to put soy sauce here to I don't want to add more because if you add more the food taste is going. And I don't want my rice to be more cara. This cara I think is okay for me. I don't like too much cara. So for me this cara of my life is okay also. I'm going to use the amount of fire on my stove in order to cook it in a little amount and mix it well. As you can see, our rice now looking good. So now our rice is ready for making. And after that, I'm going to cook vegetable. I mean, you know, vegetable is very important for people. I mean, for human body. So it is necessary sometime in your meals. You can add some vegetable. It's good also. Okay, now I'm going to put an onion. As I said before, in vegetable, with latte, some people don't use to cook, but for me, I really like to cook it. And when you cook, no need amount of oil too much, so you can put a little bit of oil. So make sure your onion turn at a little brown in order to cook tomato and carrot. So you see now onion turn a little brownish, so which is good for putting our tomato in it. So now I'm going to put tomato. You can put blended tomato if you want, but for me I prefer to cut it in a small piece in order to make more tasty of my lettuce. And I put only one tomato. You don't no need to put more tomato in vegetable. Some people don't put any, but for me today I prefer to put it one. But sometimes I used to not put any tomato or I put onion, oil, yeah. But for today I put tomato, but only one tomato. I cover it to make my tomato. So wait for a while. When you cover it to make your tomato get softer. And if can see now the tomato gets more softer. So you can add your vegetable. My vegetable already washing. So I'm going to add a vegetable over here. When I cook my food, sometimes I do like to put vegetable because vegetable is very important, and you know, for human body it's very important. When you take your meal with some of little vegetable is good also. So for me, I prefer sometimes to cook lettuce. I really do because it tastes good and I really like it. So I'm going to add a little amount of this for more taste, and our pepper, as you can see here. And I can add some little salt on here. It's ready for eating. Thank you guys. So I'm going to put my food on the plate and ready for eating.